Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You need a true 5G radio outside your 4G phone. Get a 5G hotspot or a second 5G phone with that unlimited plan. Insert the carrier SIM into the 5G device, then update firmware and confirm APN matches the plan. Once done, power up the 5G unit, enable its hotspot or Wi-Fi sharing, and set a strong SSID and password. This is the bridge that gives your 4G handset access to 5G data speeds. Now configure the tether. On the 5G device, turn on the hotspot, choose 5 GHz when available for lower interference, and select WPA2 or WPA3 security. On your 4G phone, join that Wi-Fi network and confirm you receive an IP and working DNS. If the 5G hotspot offers client limits or co-S, prioritize the 4G phone. Make sure background apps on both devices are controlled, because once connected, the 4G phone will route all internet traffic through the 5G link. Complete the setup by running a speed test to confirm you're getting the expected 5G throughput through the hotspot. If speeds lag, restart the hotspot and the 4G phone, switch between 5 GHz and 4 GHz, and check for APN or carrier throttles. Make sure the hotspot firmware is current and the SIM is provisioned for tethering. Troubleshooting tip: if tethering is blocked by the carrier, contact support and request tethering enabled for your unlimited plan. This is often the single blocker.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.